Hi, welcome back. Here we are going to have one more look at ULIP versus mutual fund. Now, again, a disclaimer putting in across that I am not a mutual fund advisor. Okay, I am not registered with SEBI. And very, very important for us to understand that whatever we are trying to discuss and whatever we are trying to understand, uh, all these charges, all about how to go about it, okay, is only for education purpose. Okay, very, very important for us to understand this. I am again a disclaimer, not a mutual fund advisor. So we were looking at the expenses, what we are going to incur as far as mutual fund is concerned. And a wonderful question being asked by Madam Bharti: what about people telling us that the ULIP is not giving good returns and the mutual funds are giving 18 to 20% return? See, please understand, whatever is being looked at, okay, whatever is being looked at, let me explain to you in a particular fashion. Let me explain to you. Okay, uh, just think about a mutual fund or any other fund. Okay, so the ups and downs of the market is continuing. Okay, and that is why they are saying go for SIP, goes for SIP. So over here, normally what is being done is you are buying some part of it. Okay, you are buying some part of it here, you are buying some part of it here, you are buying some part of it here. Okay, and then you are buying some part of it here, some part of it here, some part of it here, and this cycle keeps on repeating. But think about it, just think about it. When you want to exit, when you want to exit and you are at the wrong place at the wrong time, what happens? They are looking at this figure and they are saying, देखो मैंने आप लोग को बोला है कि आपको एवरेज करना है. Okay, and average में you are buying some part of the fund over here and some part of fund over here, you fund some part of fund over here, and you are also going to buy right at the top also. Okay, but now when you want to exit and the time is not coming to exit, and now you say, boss, I have an expense which has come in, I want the money back, and you are here, what happens? What happens to your 18-20%? What happens? So the biggest problem is when the market is going down, please, you need to tell your customer, when the market is going down, okay, you cannot change into different fund. You cannot change from a growth fund to a debt fund. That is the biggest issue as far as the mutual fund is concerned. But when the market from the down to the upside, then 7,500 say 10,600 aaya, I can switch this ULIP to a growth fund, and then while it is going up, I can enjoy the game. Now you will say, boss, हमको तो मालूम ही नहीं है क्या हो रहा है. So that is where your understanding of the market will help you. Understanding where to buy. You always trying to buy cheap and sell high. Okay, but in this case of mutual fund, what they are saying is we don't have any control. Market is subject to, mutual fund subjects are subject to market risk. So now think about it. Why are you giving all these charges? Okay, why you are giving all these charges? First, you are giving charges to take care of the funds. Okay, and on that the risk is not defined. Why should you then pay the charges if the risk is not defined? In ULIP, yes, I can say I know part of the risk. My mortality is covered, means technically I am covered for my life insurance. Very, very important. Who gives you that? At the same time, the growth also is there if you keep it for a long period of time. But aap socho, how many people are keeping their funds for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years? Nobody. Show me one good person. Out of 1,000, maybe you will be able to find 2% or 3 people who have kept their fund for last 20 years. Now, in the mutual fund industry also, okay, think about it. How many funds are there? Small cap, large cap, mid cap, so many funds. And you want to see how many funds are there? You will go crazy. So which are the fund selections you are doing? Tell me. Which fund selections you are doing? You can tell me. Investment of both mutual fund and ULIP will be in equity? Yes, it can be equity, it can be bond, it can be in mid cap, small cap, or it can be instrument which are not tradable by you, but the mutual funds can take that advantage. But in mutual fund, whatever fund you are selecting for the first time, suppose you are taking a growth fund, that means you are locked for the growth fund forever. You cannot get out of that. Okay. Now, even if the market falls, the growth fund also will fall, but you cannot change it because you don't have an option to change. While in ULIP, you can change your fund to a debt funds. Now, debt funds में government के bonds खरीदते हैं. Okay, where some or the other money is coming in, income generating fund रहता है, wherein generally the bonds are taken, long term capital gain bonds, other bonds which the insurance company will buy in that particular fund. So it becomes different than the mutual fund. Yes, you will have to pay some charges, but fine. 3 months में एक बार आप उसको मॉनिटर कर सकते हो, and you can switch over to different fund, or you can select a smart fund, not a problem at all, wherein first everything goes into an income fund. That means debt funds में जाता है, and every month whatever funds you have selected, it will transfer to that funds. So that type of switch over is available in ULIP, wherein mutual fund do not have that switchovers. Questions? Okay, so very, very important for us to understand the advantage and disadvantage. Yes, there will be some funds which will be doing quite well, but again, long term mein all these funds are going to give you 12, 20, 15%. लेकिन साथ में you have life insurance which your mutual fund is not giving. Now I know people who have put in 1 crore in mutual fund, but if I ask them, boss, how much is your life cover, and they do not have any clue on that. Now till the time they are able to shell off money and put the money continuously in mutual fund, okay, think about it, how much charges you are going to pay in the period of the next 20 years. Utne charges mein you can cover yourself for 2 crores, 3 crores, 5 crores. And in case something going wrong, COVID आया है, okay, COVID में something going wrong, म्यूचुअल फंड में जितना फंड है उतना पैसा आपके घर वाले को मिलेगा, but in ULIP, okay, you will get better returns even when you have not even put that high money. You know, 1 लाख रुपया भरने के बाद में आपको 10 लाख रुपया मिल सकता है. It's still a ULIP, but see, your life cover was there, and that is where you got an advantage. Very, very, very important in this case. Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, some other charges and all other things are there. So we'll let us take this. So I'm just giving you an example of this July 2020 ka mid cap equity funds ka current value 45.49. This is an example of Tata AIA I have taken. 3rd July ka latest. So I picked up that particular thing. Okay. Again I said I am going to pick up data from the websites which are available. In this case, life income wala plan. Okay. Now income is the debt funds basically. Okay. Wala plan mein the value is 30.15. Okay. Security is there. Okay. And that is why the growth technically, but 10 rupiya wala unit going to 30%. Think about it. Okay. So ULIP mein what are the charges? Let's understand the charges in ULIP also. People were saying the PAC, what are the premium allocation charges? Somebody had asked me, what are these charges? This is deduction from the premium upfront. It is a percentage of premium allocated towards the charges before allocating the units per under the policy. Again, premium allocation charges. These charges is leveled to recover the initial expense incurred towards issuing the policy, such as distribution fee and the cost of underwriting. Okay, very, very important that this is PAC. Somebody had really asked me, and in the last thing also, it was being asked, what are these charges? So this is your PAC charges. It is similar to like the marketing charges which you are paying in the mutual fund. Okay, almost similar to the marketing charges. Okay, and again in this there is a 100% cap which the IRDA has given. Okay, lot of questions coming in. Is there any charges for switching funds in ULIP? What is a PAC charges? Again, this is a PAC charges is the premium allocation charges, already been said. What is the percentage of PAC charges? Everything is going to come. Just hold on for another 2 minutes. I'll be taking that also. Okay, so this is your PAC charges. What is there? Okay, and all these charges are being fixed nowadays by IRDA. You cannot go on the higher side. Okay, let's move forward. Lots to cover. Let us move forward. So what other charges in ULIP? Policy administrative charges. This charges is deduction towards the administrative expense. Okay. It is usually leveled on a monthly basis. These charges could be flat throughout the policy terms or could increase at a predetermined rate. Alternatively, it could be a flat rate during the 3 to 5 years and then increase by a fixed percentage every year. But in this case, whatever the policy admin charges for long term, ULIP may actually it keeps on going down. I will show it to you how it goes down. Okay, fund management fees, like how the mutual fund has the fund management charges. In this case also you have the fund management charges which you are giving to take care of your investment. See, ULIP bifurcation karo, usko bifurcate karo. Very, very important for you to understand this. Okay, what is your bifurcation as far as ULIP is concerned? Unit link insurance plan. So technically, okay, in this case you get insurance, and part of your investment, whatever money you are going to put, they go in the investment purpose. See, any insurance, okay, any insurance, whatever insurance you are buying, pehle you had this traditional plans. For a 5 lakh rupee policy, you were paying say 25,000 rupees. Now think about it. Here your life is covered. Here your life is covered. And you are getting bonus, all that. So technically, the insurance company is taking your funds, giving you the life cover, and बाकी का जो भी है is investing. Okay. Here the payment and the other investment thing was not clear. यहाँ पे it is technically clear. Over here you have that option of switching and all that. Traditional plan में you did not had that person. इसके लिए अभी term policy ज्यादा बिकता है rather than all the other things going up. So here it is, you are deciding what will be done. In this case, traditional policy mein you are not in control. So fund management charges always will be there. Okay. Next, let me go ahead. Mortality rate, that is your life cover. Now in your traditional plan you had the life cover. Mutual fund mein life cover hai hi nahi, so it is immaterial. So depending on the age, the smaller you are, the mortality rates are lower. So as your age increases, the mortality rate increases. Lekin it is frankly speaking very very significant, और वो NAV पे से ही निकल जाता है, आपके यूनिट में से माइनस हो जाता है. So technically you will not even come to know what is happening. So when you are buying a ULIP plan, you are coming in with a very clear picture कि यहाँ पे मेरा इंश्योरेंस भी है and मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट भी है. So that is very very important over here. So you have this surrender charges or discontinuation charges. So you want to surrender, means policy को surrender करना है. So now IRDA has a guideline that even after 3 years you can surrender your policy and take away the money. जब भी 5 साल म्यूचुअल फंड में 5 साल का लॉकिंग है, यहाँ पे भी 5 साल का लॉकिंग है, लेकिन एज पर IRDA गाइडलाइंस यहाँ पे आपको सरेंडर का कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू मिलेगा. म्यूचुअल फंड में नॉट अलाउड, लेकिन यहाँ पे मिल सकता है. ओके, एंड दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देयर इज अ सरेंडर वैल्यू अवेलेबल in this particular case. Mutual fund में not available. Okay. So different type of charges के point of view से here it is there. When the plan would earn if no charges were deducted, net yield के ऊपर फिर NAV का adjustment is coming in. So one is the gross and one is the net. Okay, so this becomes very very important. So अगर आपका 15% का gross है, and if the maximum permissible charges is 3%, your output is technically called 12% का return आपको मिला है. So gross return and net return में जो difference is what is need to be understood. Now people are, सब कुछ बड़ा बड़ा करके दिखाते हैं. Now when you sell an insurance policy also, okay, there are differences, but यहाँ पे the charges are there which gives you a clear picture that this is what the amount of charges will be taken as far as some units are going in. Now after 5 years, think about it. In this case, after 5 years, if you do not want to pay your premium, it is fine, your insurance still continues. In mutual fund, आपने जितना भी रुपया डाल दिया, उसके बाद में the fund जो भी हिसाब से plus minus होते रहेगा, whenever you want to remove, you can remove. In this case, the locking period is there, say maximum 15 years, तो 15 years ही आपको मिल सकता है. So your fund technically remains there for 15 years period only. So in this case, just an example I have given over here, okay, wherein equity related funds में different insurance companies, how they have performed. All insurance company have some or the other ULIP funds. In this case, Tata funds have performed really good. Okay, here Bajaj Bharti is there, Bajaj is there, Kotak is also there. Okay, in this case, mid cap mein Birla has also performed quite well at 50.9. In whole life mid cap, which was 2 years back was 48, now it is we have just shown you earlier. So this up and down will continue, but lekin yahan pe mortality is there. So different insurance company, LIC ka long term bond funds is also there. So you can see how much return it has given in the last few years. Okay, so depending on the type of funds selection you are doing, जो भी बोलता है ना 18%, 20%, बोलो उसको फार्मा फंड्स चला है कि नहीं चला है. इन द लास्ट ऑलमोस्ट 10 years, okay, last 7 years से तो definitely the pharma fund is not performed at all. Why? Because your fund selection was wrong. And only in the last 3 months the pharma funds have now started picking up. So those who have now going to take it for the next 10 years may get that advantage because you are buying on the lower side. So here large cap के fund size में I'm not going into that detail about how the performance and all that, but in this case also the insurance companies also come out with such type of comprehensive report. So people are saying boss insurance company nahi deti hai report. No, they every year they come out with such comprehensive report wherein kitna equity में है, कितना डेप्थ में है, और मनी मार्केट में कितना है, what is the percentage, what is the growth, so and the NAV which is been declared almost on a daily basis, and what is the portfolio. So Sri Cement, Bajaj Finance, Motherson, Indian Oil, Petronet, Page Industry, Finolex. So this is like mid cap, all comes under mid cap. Okay, so again I'm saying that everything related to the mutual fund, everything related to ULIP is definitely a plus minus, but the most important thing over here as far as ULIP is concerned, if we see the plus and the minus, okay, in ULIP your life is covered. So requesting everyone who are there, boss आप म्यूचुअल फंड में पैसा डालो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट आर यू सफिशिएंटली कवर्ड. आपके पास 2 करोड़ 5 करोड़ रुपए का इंश्योरेंस है, टर्म पॉलिसी कम से कम ले लो. या तो इफ यू वांट टू डोंट यू फील के यार पैसा चले जाता है टर्म पॉलिसी में, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल, तो फिर कम से कम यूलिप ले लो एंड योर सम पार्ट ऑफ योर रिस्क कवर इज देयर. Okay, and investment also is there, and you can definitely switch over to different type of funds in between. Maybe what are the fund charges? 100 rupees they are charged. Somebody asked me, Nishit had asked me, what are the switching over charges? They are charging only 100 rupees for one time switching. Is it not worth it? Is it not worth to change your fund to growth fund or to debt funds or to mid-sized fund? म्यूचुअल फंड में ये ऑप्शन ही नहीं है आपके पास. So I hope whatever we have covered in the last 2 sessions, I hope something has been worthwhile for you all guys. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll keep on this video will be there as far as YouTube is concerned. Thank you once again for joining. Love you all. Take care. I will be posting this on the YouTube. In case of any type of questions, yeah, please, yes, please go ahead. Any type of 5 years performance 5 years performance, you can check it out, not a problem. NAV पे आप जा सकते हो, कोई problem नहीं है. Okay, and all the websites will have the last 5 years का performance.